Yana's big catch today is Ember Copper Mug that will keep your coffee hot or any beverage of your choice. Link to this mug is below the video. So I'm gonna quick unbox it and then we'll make a coffee and we will see how it does. I've read a bunch of things about this, good and bad, so I decided that I have to try for myself because I hate my coffee cold. Okay, so the box is pretty cool. It has a nice touch to it and it's pretty heavy. So I have my sailor knife here. Before I open this wonderful mug with this knife, remember to subscribe to our channel where me and my husband living aboard travel around the world, and if you are into boating or sailing, this is a right channel for you. I want to open it carefully, which I don't usually do, just because in case if something is wrong with it and I have to return it. I was waiting to open this mug forever because I wanted to open it in our new boat, and that's not happening. Oh, that's cool. That's really neat. Okay, let's put it back. And oh, that's really nice. There's a little logo in here. I don't know if you can see that. Very nice. It's almost like opening an iPhone or something. Super nice. So far, I approve. Are you ready? Copper edition. Smells like mug. Okay. This is the mug. There is a little note here which says charge before use. Okay. There's a beautiful charger. The mug is a little heavier than the regular mug, but really not significant. Inside is all copper too. Very nice. The mug has such a luxury feel to it. I'm so excited to try this out. Finally my coffee will be hot. Okay, so let's see what else is in the box. Oh, there's a charging station here. I'm gonna kill this mug before I use it. Wait, that was what? There is a charging station here. Okay, there is a charging station here. Beautiful. It also says no water allowed, so you cannot put water in here. Okay. Ooh. Stickers. I love stickers. That's cool. That's what I call real brand ambassador. I'm kidding. By the way, Ember did not send me this mug and they didn't pay me or anything like that. I just like my coffee hot and I wanted to fix this problem. As I suspected, there is a charger here, also in copper color, which is nice. I like when the brand takes a little bit of time to match the things. That's probably my nature. Russian nature, Russian culture talking to me. And there is a little instruction here, which says what you should and shouldn't do with your mug in a simple and friendly way. So I'm gonna read this, maybe, and charge my mug, and then we're gonna make a coffee and see if it works out. Stay tuned. This is what happiness is. Warm coffee. I will stay warm forever. If you like that video, consider subscribing to our channel and hit like.